Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to fix Western Union error code C2002. So basically this is an error code that often appears while sending or receiving money through Western Union platform. So if you are seeing this error here, as you can see, this error occurred to various reasons, including technical glitches in the system, incorrect account information, and suspicious activity on your account. So the first step is to make sure that the information is correct. Now, if you are 100% that the information is correct, what you're gonna have to do is to simply contact the customer service from Western Union and basically tell them about this error. So as I said, this can happen for suspicious activity on your account. So if they think that something suspicious is happening on your account, they're gonna block it, or they're gonna try to first of all see what's happening. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply call them at this number here. So if you want, you can simply pause the video and copy this phone number here, and then simply tell them about this, and then they're gonna fix it for you. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.